Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail juice without alcohol. We'll start by selecting fresh, high-quality ingredients that form the base of your drinks. Then, I'll guide you through combining these elements to create balanced and refreshing flavors. You'll learn to craft delightful beverages perfect for any occasion, ensuring everyone can enjoy a sophisticated drink. Get ready to mix up some fantastic non-alcoholic options. Building a great non-alcoholic cocktail starts with quality ingredients. Freshly squeezed juices are paramount, offering natural sweetness and tang. Consider using a variety of fruits to create diverse flavor profiles. Don't forget the power of herbs and spices. A sprig of rosemary or a dash of cardamom can elevate your drink significantly. Balancing these elements is key to a truly satisfying beverage, so taste as you go. Once you have your ingredients, proper mixing techniques ensure a perfect drink. Always chill your juices and mixers beforehand. This prevents dilution and keeps your cocktail crisp. Shaking with ice is ideal for incorporating air and thoroughly chilling ingredients, especially those with thicker consistencies. For a clear drink, stirring is best. Finally, presentation matters. A beautiful garnish makes your non-alcoholic cocktail feel truly special. To take your non-alcoholic cocktails to the next level, consider making your own infused simple syrups. These allow for endless flavor combinations, from spicy to floral. Also, don't shy away from non-alcoholic bitters. They can introduce a sophisticated layer of flavor without any alcohol. Remember, the right glass can significantly enhance the drinking experience. For more great tips and deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video. Enjoy crafting your delicious drinks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.